Welcome to Learn French channel. In today's video, we're going to learn French pronouns like I, you, he, she, they, we in French. They are really important before starting any sentence. So let's dive into it and let's start with I. I is je. Je. I, je. With me, je. You is tu. 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 Which means you. Tu. Or it means another word. If you say tu, means you're ordering someone to kill. Tu. But in here, it's a pronoun. We call it tu, which means you. He is il. Il. It's not il, sick, but it's il. I'm just trying to associate it with some names so you can remember it. It's not il, I'm sick, no, it's il. Il. Il is he. How about she? She is elle. I didn't say il, which is he. It's elle. 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 Il, he, elle, she. Then we move to we. We is nous. 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 Oui. Nous. You, for plural, is vous. Vous. Oui. Nous. You. Vous. For the plural, when you're talking to two people, plus. Then we move to they. They. Here it's different again. We don't use it like English for ladies or men, feminine or masculine. We use it different here. We use they for feminine and different to masculine. So if you remember when we said he is il, it's the same when you say they, but with an S at the end. So we just say il. Il. It pronounced the same as he. So as you might notice, it will be the same for feminine. We say elle. We don't pronounce the S, we only write it. But the word that comes after elle or il, if it's masculine, if it's single, like for example, he, she. If it's plural, it's, if for example you say their, they children's. So that means a group, which we will understand you meant they. Il or elle. So let's recap. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Perfect. Keep practicing them. And if you've got any questions about those pronouns, please mention them in the comments and I'll make sure to reply to everyone. See you later.